Uh, Hi everybody, my name is Ayawa Zolen, but I go by my middle name Judith. And today I'll talk to you guys about my country, Togo. Togo is a small country in West Africa, and it has a weird geography, a lot of ethnics, religions, and a mixed culture. Togo, like I say, is a small country in West Africa. This is a very small. It's bordered at the east by the country Benin, right here. At the west by Ghana. In the north by Burkina Faso. And it has a perimeter of 56,785 kilometers square, which is 21,925 square miles right here. The north and the south land of the country is made up of savanna. There's a lot of savanna bushes, and the center is made of hills. There is a lot of hills and mountains at the center of the country. The climate of Togo is tropical with temperatures ranging from 23 degrees Celsius, which is 73 degrees Fahrenheit, on the coast, and to about 30 degrees Celsius, which is 86 degrees Fahrenheit in the northern regions. And it has a dry climate with the characteristic of a tropical savanna. We have two seasons in Togo, dry season and rain seasons. The rain season is between April and July, and the first rain season is between April and July, and the second one is between September and November. We don't have snow in tropical south. That's the first country, yeah. Okay. Togo is divided into two regions. You have Dakong, Kara, Sokode, Atakpame, and all those are the main towns in Togo. We have 30 prefectures, one commune, and the principal capital is Lomé, right on the coast. Togo has 40 different ethnics. We're small, but we have 40 ethnics, and the main ones are the Ewe, 32% of the population, the Kotokoli, Tem and Chamba in the center, the Kabiet people in the north, and all of them make 22% of the population. The Auti are 14% of the population. The Mina, Mosi, and Aja are about 8%, and we have European people who are less than 1%. The main language in Togo is French, but we also speak languages like Ewe, Mina, Kabia. We have many languages coming from all the 40 ethnics that we speak. Because of the numerous ethnic groups, we have a diverse culture. We have many dances that I don't know, I'm sure you don't know, but we have some things like Akbese, Agbaja, and Kamu. Those dance, they mainly shake their body while they dancing, shake the legs, arms, the whole body, and kind of weird, but it's kind of nice too. A lot of the population goes to all kind of church, Catholic, Baptist. We have every kind of church back home, and some of them practice some traditional practices. We also eat any kind of food. I think any kind of food, fish, meat, but we mainly eat vegetables. Every food comes with vegetables, and it's kind of the main dishes. We play all kind of sport too, football, soccer. We don't play football, American football. We play soccer, basketball. We don't play baseball either. We play beach ball, or any kind of sport except American football and baseball. And here is the here is the beach. At the coast, there's a hotel there, Palm Beach, where you can see the beach. There. And there's a whole view of the capital, Lomé, and sky view of the capital.
That's pretty. Yeah.
So that's pretty much.
Kind of dull here now, isn't it?
That's pretty much everything I have to talk about.